Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
We just woke up at the beach. Yay! It's really beautiful. Today we're going to do the 4-island tour on longtail boat, which involves caves, snorkeling,
Beautiful beaches.
yeah, and
Food.
Food, yeah, there's lunch included. Yeah,
We're excited.
Yeah. Let's do a full day. When we arrived at the pier, we hopped aboard on our longtail boat, ready for a day of island hopping. The 4-island tour took us to several snorkeling spots, promising crystal clear waters and vibrant marine life. Unfortunately, our underwater phone case didn't seal properly, so we couldn't capture any great footage. Not that that made much difference, because the underwater views weren't that spectacular as we hoped, and the snorkeling spots were super crowded. But then, we reached the highlight of the tour, the Emerald Cave.
The next stop is this amazing emerald cave.
Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. So you have to swim first for 80 meters into the cave, and then you come in this hidden beach. Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. The water is really green, as you can see behind us. And the funniest part is, you see the tour guide leading just a big train of all the people. It's absolutely fun. It's really cool to see.
So funny.
After all the snorkeling, swimming and exploring, we definitely worked up an appetite. Luckily lunch was included in the tour, so lunchtime. We pulled up to a small island where a simple but delicious Thai buffet was waiting for us. Fresh rice, stir-fried vegetables, chicken curry and of course some tropical fruits for dessert. Sitting by the beach, enjoying the view and the food, it was a perfect way to refuel before heading back to Koh Lanta's main island.
Hear the oceans ebb and flow. The summer air fills our lungs and keeps us young. So we'll write our names in the sand right where we live. On both these diamonds.
We are back at Koh Lanta.
And we had a lovely day.
Yes.
And now dinner time, I think. Maybe
No,
some
it's 4 o'clock.
going to do then. You want to go chilling at the beach?
Yeah, first a dip in the swimming pool because I'm so salty.
Yeah, that's true.
You as well, you're all sticky.
You're sticky and scratching each other.
Yes. And then another dip at the sea to get salty again. And then watch the sunset. I hope we will get a better sunset than yesterday. But
Yeah,
I
yesterday
think
wasn't
too cloudy.
Yeah, there was nothing basically.
No. I said, the sunset is now, and we didn't see anything at all.
there was no sun.
No. But it's less cloudy today, so I'm hopeful. And then another dinner. So some good things to look forward to. And tomorrow we are already leaving Koh Lanta and going to Koh Yum.
Go Chu.
Oh,
You have learned it from the nice lady on the ferry.
yes.
Go Chu.
I'm sorry.
Bless
Chum.
you. Chu.
Chum. Koh Chum.
Go Chu.
Yes.
Car.
So stay tuned.
Keeps us warm till morning light. Watch the sun fill the sky and lose all sight.
Yes, really. I'm not wet at all. Weet jullie hoe het eruit?
Right, leading just a big train of all the people.
And you get a light from our guide.
Yeah. And I had to swim in the front and I was like, follow me!
Oh, look at the
Yeah. To the ceiling,
Yeah.
to the sky, in the cave.
There goes this guy. Yeah, it's very, very cool.
Yeah. Yeah, but I'm hungry.
You're always hungry.
Yeah, you can tell, right?
No.
So, what were you... Yeah, good?
Um,
I don't know what you want to say.
Vooruitzicht.
Ah, good vooruitzicht.
Okay.